Advin Health Care Hemodialysis Kit, a complete solution designed to provide safe, efficient, and reliable dialysis therapy. Each component in this advanced kit is carefully engineered to deliver consistent performance and enhanced patient safety throughout the dialysis process. The kit includes the Advin bicarbonate bag, fistula needle, infusion set, Fresenius FX60 dialyzer, dialysis on-off kit, Advin blood tubing set 4008, and Advin hemodialysis liquid concentrate part A10L. A perfect combination for superior dialysis treatment. The Fresenius FX60 dialyzer ensures high-efficiency filtration for optimal toxin removal while maintaining essential blood components. The Advin fistula needle provides smooth vascular access with minimal discomfort and secure flow control. The infusion set and blood tubing set 4008 ensure safe and accurate fluid management throughout the procedure. The Advin bicarbonate bag and liquid concentrate part A10L maintain precise electrolyte balance and pH stability, enabling consistent dialysate quality. The dialysis on-off kit simplifies setup and disconnection, saving time and enhancing clinical efficiency. Every component of the Advin Hemodialysis Kit is manufactured under rigorous quality standards, ensuring purity, sterility, and durability. This integrated design supports healthcare professionals in achieving better treatment outcomes and improved patient comfort. Advin Health Care remains committed to innovation, precision, and reliability in dialysis care, providing products that empower professionals.